told you we're going to fly the Boeing biplane built in 1943. And she's called the Old Crow, and I'm going to start the engine. She didn't run for about 2 months, so she will puff some smoke, and I will show you how we do it. Come on in a little bit further. Here's the rear flight deck, the cockpit. Now I do first my checks. I start with looking upward. I see there is fuel in the fuel indicator in the upper wing. I have enough fuel. Then I go from left to right. I check the luggage compartment is behind me. That's closed. Then here, throttle, 1/2 inch forward. Mixture full forward. Propeller to decrease. Fuel on. Magnetos off, master off. Instruments checked. Carb heat is cold, is right there. Flight controls 1, 2, 3, 4. That's checked. All the instruments, the radios. I have radios here. The radio switches, they're all off here. Okay, the first thing we're going to do, we give her some oil pressure. So before we start rotating the engine, we give her with an electrical oil pump. We give her some oil pressure, so she will be like a little bit nice, oily and wet inside. Prop clear, master on. Now here's a switch, pre-oiler it says. I press the button. Now you hear the oil pump. Now watch here. You see the oil pressure rising. Should be about in the green. That's about 70 psi. So now she gets oil all in, sprayed all in the engine. Because it's 2 months not running, she's very dry inside. Okay, we have all pressure. Then we're going to start the engine. Master is on. The stick, flight control stick all the way back. I press the brakes with my feet, and I look outside, and then I shout propeller clear. Then I switch on the master. I'll press the start button, and then after a few rotations I switch on the magnetos. Okay, prop clear, here we go. Magnetos on. One more time. We give her some more fuel. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. One more time. Prop clear. And she's running. First thing we look at, oil pressure. Here's oil pressure. Only about 500 RPM. Slow, slow, slow. First minute. She's very cold. And after some minutes, the propeller control goes forward. We'll first let her heat up a little bit more.